1. Lessen your total carb consumption. The quantity and fine of your carb intake are both essential elements to keep in mind when making nutritional adjustments to help prevent diabetes. 2. Work out often. Doing physical pastime regularly may also help save you diabetes. 3. Drink water as your primary beverage. Sticking with water as your drink of preference will assist you limit liquids which can be high in sugar. 4. Try to lose excess weight. Sporting extra weight can also increase your risk of kind 2 diabetes. 5. Quit smoking. Smoking has been proven to purpose or make contributions to many severe fitness situations. 6. Reduce your portion sizes. Eating portion sizes appropriate to your needs may also assist save you diabetes. 7. Reduce again on sedentary behaviors. It's critical to avoid sedentary behaviors, inclusive of getting very little physical pastime or sitting for the duration of maximum of the day, to help save you diabetes. 8. Follow an excessive fiber eating regimen. Consuming masses of fiber is useful for gut fitness and weight control. It could also assist prevent diabetes. 9. Optimize your vitamin D stages. Nutrition D is important for blood sugar management. 10. Decrease your intake of surprisingly processed ingredients. Lowering your intake of closely processed ingredients advantages numerous aspects of fitness. 11. Drink coffee or tea. Even though it's great to make water your primary beverage, research indicates that which includes espresso or tea for your eating regimen may additionally help you keep away from diabetes.